What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable QUIC protocol in Google Chrome for faster internet browsing. So let's get right into this. So if you're trying to browse faster, basically on Google Chrome, because sometimes it starts to act out and bug out, it starts to being very slow. All you need to do is essentially go to this link provided here, Chrome//flags, and once you're in here, look, I'll leave a link in the description below for you guys for here. All you need to do is in the flag write QUIC. It's QUIC, and you'll see it says experimental QUIC protocol. Enable experimental QUIC protocol support, and it tells you who it's for, and then you can change it to essentially enabled. Once you have this at enabled, you will be able to browse faster. Again, these are all experiments, and there's a lot of stuff in here. You want to basically play around with like the different ones, watch obviously videos, make sure you don't break your Chrome extension or your browser, sorry, when you're playing with this. But obviously doing this one will help you browse your internet faster. Again, it's experimental, stuff could break, games could break, etc., whatever you're trying to do, like YouTube, all that other stuff. So obviously make sure you want to test it out first, but having this enabled, you will be able to browse faster. And yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please smash that thumbs up. You guys enjoy, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. All right, Mo Tutorials out. Peace.